Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video has been a long time coming. I have been waiting to get my hands on this product for probably years. I don't know why I was dragging my feet, but I'm so mad at myself for doing so because it is amazing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Gelish Structure Gel. And the point of a structure gel is to strengthen, protect, thicken, and just add a little more oomph to your nails. So for anyone who has naturally thin nails like I do, this product is probably for you. Over the years, I have done my own gel overlays. I've talked a lot about them on this channel. It's basically just adding clear gel base and top coat to your nails before painting regular or gel polish as added strength and protection. Having those extra layers helps keep your nails strong and resilient, and it really helps to encourage growth by preventing careless chips or breaks. But that is where structure gel comes in. This product is designed for that specific purpose. So it's basically like overlays in a bottle. I recently shared a video on my channel trying a poly building gel overlay, and while I really did love those, they were very challenging to do on my own, and this is just so much better. So at the end of this video, I'm going to briefly compare and contrast the two, but I'm telling you now, this is a product you have to have in your collection. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created overlays with this product, basically how I use it to strengthen my natural nails. It's really easy to do. This product is so incredibly simple to work with, and I think you're going to be impressed. So without further ado, let's jump into it.
Okay, to get started, I'm going to take the Gelish foundation and apply a pretty generous coat on my nails. I'm really going to take my time doing this and make sure that I cover the entire nail. I want to get as close to the cuticles as possible without getting any polish on them. It may seem like I'm applying a lot of base coat here, but I'm actually working with a small amount of product and repeatedly brushing over the nails until they're all smooth and well covered. Once the foundation is applied, I'm going to cure the nails for about 2 minutes. I've been using this portable USB-powered LED lamp, and I absolutely love it. I will link it below. Once the polish has cured, I'm going to grab the Gelish Clear Structure Gel. This is going to give some extra protection and strength to the nails. The formula is very similar to that of the foundation, but it's significantly thicker. Just like before, I'm going to apply a generous coat on top of my nails while steering clear of the edges and the cuticles. The wide bristles make this product very easy to apply and a breeze to work with. For anyone who has naturally thin nails or anyone who needs help growing out their nails, you should consider using a structure gel under your nail polish or even on its own for that added layer of protection. Using my thumb, I'm going to clean up any of the structure gel that may have flooded the cuticle or the nail bed. Once the nails are cleaned up, I'm popping them back in the LED lamp for about 2 minutes. The last step to complete the overlays is a top coat. But quick pause. If you want to do a full gel manicure, this is where you would paint your color. But for overlays, we're just going right to the top coat. I didn't show the bottle, but I'm using the Gelish top coat and again, painting a generous coat on all of my nails, trying to avoid the skin and the cuticles. And this time I'm going to cap the edges. Once all of the nails are painted, back under the lamp they go for about a minute. Curing time depends on whether you have an LED lamp or a UV lamp, so follow the specific instructions for your device. Once the top coat has cured, you're going to take some alcohol and a cotton ball and rub each nail to make sure that it is smooth and there is no sticky residue on top. And that's it. That is how you create your own structure gel overlays. Your nails are going to be stronger, thicker, and so much more protected than they would with a regular gel manicure or no polish at all. From here, you could paint a regular manicure on top or just let them be and enjoy the added protection.
So that was it. Those were my nails after the structure gel application. I actually left my nails like that for about a week, and then I did a new manicure, which was this one, and it has lasted well over 2 weeks at this point. Like I mentioned, you can use the structure gel with the base coat and the top coat to just kind of create an overlay to strengthen the nails. You can go ahead and paint regular polish on top, but if you want to continue with gel after you cure the structure gel, that's when you add the color. So the next time I did my nails, I did a coat of foundation, a coat of structure gel, 2 coats of this color, and then a gel top coat. And this manicure has lasted, like I mentioned, well over 2 weeks. You can see it's pretty grown out, but overall it's in great shape. There is a tiny bit of lifting on my index finger here, probably because it's my most used finger, but these nails have really held up incredibly well. There have been no breaks, no chips, and I just love the Structure Gel. Comparing the Structure Gel to the Poly Gel, I really loved how thick and hard the polygel was, but it was very challenging to apply. It was very time consuming to remove. The whole process was time consuming. If there was some form of polygel that came in a bottle, I think I would love it, but I don't think it exists because that gel is so thick. It really does need to be applied with a paintbrush and alcohol and moved and manipulated to get the right form. Structure Gel is probably the next best thing. So like I mentioned in the tutorial, this really is just a thicker version of the foundation. It's a very thick, dense gel polish. I found it easy to work with. You don't need a lot, just a little bit does go a long way. You could do 1 coat of this, you could do 2 coats of this, but always make sure you apply a base coat first. And I just loved it. So many great things to say. This is a 2+ week old Structure Gel mani and I love it. I'm going away at the end of the week, so I'm gonna remove this in a few days and do another manicure. And I'm just so excited to know that I now have a product that just increases the life of my manicures. It helps keep my nails super strong, super resilient, super durable, especially during this time of year. I'm filming this in February and my nails are usually very weak this time of year. Something about the cold weather, I think. I always find that my nails grow and thrive best in the summertime, but not anymore. We are a 4-season girl now. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave me a comment below letting me know if you have tried the Gelish Structure Gel before. I know so many of you have recommended it, so I know a bunch of you have, but it is a truly incredible product, and I think moving forward, I don't know why I wouldn't incorporate it into my regular gel manicures. It's really incredible. But that's it for this one. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!